How to use the Translate app on your iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Translate app on your iPhone 8 Plus. At the top, you'll see two language options. The language on the left is the language you're translating from, and the language on the right is the language you're translating into. Tap either language to choose a different one. For example, you can select English as the source language and French as the translation language. Type your text into the Enter Text section, and the app will automatically show the translation below. You can also tap the microphone button and speak instead of typing. After entering your text, tap the play button to hear the translation out loud.
Bonjour.
You'll also see a star icon. Tap this to save the translation to your favorites so you can quickly access it later. Next, tap the book icon to view the dictionary. This can show additional meanings and related information for the selected word. At the bottom, you'll find three main options.
Translation is used for normal text or voice translations. Conversation mode is useful when you're talking with someone who speaks another language, as it allows both people to communicate using their selected languages. Finally, tap Favorites to view the translations you've previously saved. And that's how you can use the Translate app on your iPhone 8 Plus. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.